Hey everyone, Mr. Justin here with the Hernando County Public Library System, and thank you so much for joining us for another science video. We've got a fun one today because today we're going to make our own little homemade catapult. So we're going to make a little catapult. So in order to do this, you're going to need some popsicle sticks or some craft sticks and some rubber bands and a plastic spoon and something soft like a pom-pom, or in this case a marshmallow. I have a llama-shaped marshmallow in this case, but any marshmallow will work. Marshmallow that we are going to launch, and we are going to go ahead and make the catapult, and then we'll go ahead and kind of explain what's going on with the catapult in terms of science. And so here's what we're going to do is we're going to start by making, as we make the catapult, we are going to make the fulcrum also, which is the pivoting point, and it's going to be this little pile of sticks right there, which is also going to help balance us and help kind of create what we need for the catapult. In this one I had 6, but I'm going to use 8 for the one we're making today. And again, you can play with the number of popsicle sticks that you use when you build one yourself, just to see how far your objects can travel one way versus the other. So there's a lot of different variables you can use here, but we're going to be using 8 popsicle sticks to help create the fulcrum. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to put them in a little pile just like this. I'm going to take one of my rubber bands, and I am going to just go ahead and keep twisting it around just so it gets nice and tight. And then we're going to do that on the other end. I'm going to take one of the rubber bands, and we're going to twist it around and around until it's nice and tight. Perfect. So now we are going to take, we're going to kind of create the lever of the catapult, which is going to be this part right here. And so we're going to take 2 popsicle sticks, put them on top of each other, and then we're going to take one of our rubber bands, and we're going to again wrap it around just the edge of one, just one end. And when it's nice and tight, and I'll go ahead and push it so it's closer to the edge of the popsicle sticks. There we go. And so you can kind of see, you can, if you put something in there, it'll create the little shape right here that we want. And I'm going to go ahead and put our spoon on one of the edges, right on one of the popsicle sticks. So I'm going to line it up right here. And we don't want to put the rubber band around both, so I'm going to lift it up like this. We're going to take our rubber band just around one of the popsicle sticks in the spoon. That rubber band exploded on me, so that's not what we're going to use. We're going to use this rubber band. And again, we don't want it to be on both popsicle sticks. We just want the top popsicle stick. Again, keep wrapping it till it's tight. And there we go. And again, you can see you can put your spoon wherever you like it best. I'm going to leave it right around here. So I'm going to take the fulcrum, and we got a little lever part, our catapult, put it underneath, and there is our catapult. So then what you can do is you can go ahead, pull this part back when you put something in the spoon and let it go. When you're pulling it like this way or pushing it down, what you're doing is you're actually creating a little bit of potential energy. You're holding that energy as potential energy, and when you let go, the action is going to do it as it's going to move up, and that's going to be the kinetic energy. So you're holding in energy, which is going to be potential, let it go, which will be the kinetic energy, and we're going to see an object hopefully fly. So I'm going to keep this down right here. And you would put it works best if you like have it out on the table in front of you. But you would put your object in, you would then hold that back and then let go. And then the object, in this case the marshmallow, will go ahead and fly away. And you can use different objects. You can put different items in your fulcrum to see what's going to fly, what is going to fly the most, fly the least. There we go. And those actually fly pretty well. And so what we did is create our little catapult. And again, when we pull this back, we are storing up energy, potential energy. And when we let go, we have our kinetic energy right there. That one wasn't as good as some of the others, but I'm having fun with this. So what we did is we created kind of a little simple machine right here with our catapult. We have the lever and we have the fulcrum. And you can, you can go ahead and put it in and let it go. And oh, that flew pretty well. I don't know how well the camera's catching us, but our marshmallows are actually flying really well. And again, you can change the number of sticks that you have in the Fulcrum, where you have it underneath the catapult, where the spoon is, and exactly, and all those variables are going to change how well the catapult works. So again, I want to do this one more time. We're going to put this down here, give it a little bit of balance, and we're going to let it fly, and all of our marshmallows are going to be flying flying all over the place. So I hope you all had fun with the catapult. We talked a little bit about physics and potential energy and kinetic energy. So I hope you all have fun with these catapults, and I hope they turn out as well as the one we built today did. Make sure you join us next time for another science video. I hope you all had fun with our catapult, and we'll see y'all later. Bye.